going on, guys? I just got my GoPro on my selfie stick. I'm in my mom's room right now. Hold on. Let me go turn my living room's a mess right now, guys. But I just got my GoPro on here. I just wanted to make a real quick vlog. I haven't made a vlog today. Hold on. Let me show you my phone. Kitty. Okay, guys, but yeah, just gonna let you know I'm gonna be doing some selfie stick recording videos today for right now, and I'm probably gonna be doing it for a while. I really love this. It's awesome, guys. But
I'm gonna turn my room into a video studio.
Okay, but yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna be getting you guys some more dirt bike videos, but I don't know. I really need to get back on that dirt bike, man. It's so much fun to ride, and man, I ripped it up that day, but I didn't get any GoPro videos. None, because apparently it corrupted. Right. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do a little vlog, give some shout outs.
Now you have an actual high-speed memory card, so.
I just need to give one shout out real quick. Here's my brother. You need to go check his channel out. It's Octo Gaming, right? Yeah, go check his.
Octo Gaming, the one with 28 subscribers.
I have an idea.
Yeah, he only has 28 subscribers, so yeah. Anyway, guys.
I have an idea. For that, you know how you can put it on your helmet? Why don't I make you one of those, like, take piece of elastic, like this, to where you can attach it to that, so you can walk around with it right there, so people can see from your view. Wouldn't that be cool?
Huh?
You know what I'm talking about?
That's what this
You
is
can put
for.
it on your head.
Hold on, look. That's what this is for, right here. Let's see. Where is it? Right here.
Oh, sweet.
You just take it and you wrap it around your head.
It comes with one.
Yeah.
Hey.
All GoPros do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get out of mom's dirty room.
Yeah, because I gotta clean it. There we go.
But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a little quick vlog, catch up on my YouTube, because I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I might be doing some more videos on like YouTube, on gaming and stuff, but I don't really know, guys. So Benji, quick! He's trying to play with my GoPro. But yeah, guys, my hand will not stay still, so if there's a lot of shaking, I'm sorry. I'll try to keep it still as much as I can. But yeah, I love you guys, so my life has been great. I've been really sick lately, so I haven't been getting any videos out whatsoever. But I love you guys, and I'm gonna end this video off with this note, so love you guys, and see ya. Bye.